Welcome, power users, to the second MSPoweruser joint unboxing, even though we're like extremely far away.
We're incredibly socially distant.
Yeah, we're more than 6 feet, more than 6 miles, so...
Yeah, we're taking it very seriously. We don't want to be anywhere near each other.
No, we're too infectious.
Yeah.
So last time we did a joint unboxing, we did the Xbox Series S. We had a lemon for scale. That was the highlight of the video. We didn't milk that.
I love that lemon. I miss it every day. It's gone mouldy now.
You didn't eat it? You told me
No.
you were going to eat the lemon.
I didn't have anything to put the lemon on.
But anyway, we got the Xbox Series X now, the big boy. And Alex is off to the right, so I'm gonna twist the boxes around. So on here, there's a picture of an Xbox. Alex is seeing the top of an Xbox. How does that look for you?
I can see the top of the box
This
of an
part?
Xbox box.
Well, here's the side, and then on the back we got a big old Master Chief. Which I'll show that to you. I will display the box with the Master Chief on it.
He's not even out yet. What's he doing on there?
Well, you see, he was supposed to be out, wasn't he? And this
Master Chief got shy.
he did. He was overshadowed by Craig. So there are pull tabs on here. Kind of Apple-esque, although not as easy to open. Apple's ones are just kind of like you pull them. These ones are like...
you recently reviewed the iPad Air, didn't you?
Yeah, and we did an unboxing of that as well. That's the unboxing where people called me a beta. Nobody called you a beta.
No, my unboxing skills are unparalleled. I think it was the lemon. The lemon saved us.
Come on, box. So there are 4 pull tabs. And then you can unsheath Master Chief's home. He's put a down payment on it. And then...
he's got a mortgage on the Halo rings.
And then it opens like this. Do I have space to open it? Oh my god, I don't.
Oh no. Well, I can see it, folks,
There
and
we
it
go.
looks like another box.
It's a lot more fancy, isn't it? Oh my god, Alex, the top of the box is like a thick-ass piece of foam.
Ooh.
It's incredibly thick. It's like the things that like Cyber Power PC will like pack your PC in.
I will say, just like generally, rather than showing consoles off, I really do like the look of how they've boxed the new consoles.
Yeah.
Like, they're very showy and presenting. Like, if you unbox this on Christmas, it's a proper event, rather than it just being like, oh, it's a box with a console in it somewhere, let's throw it on the floor.
Well, yeah, I remember doing that with my my Xbox 360 when I got that in the day. Should we power our dreams?
We can do.
Well, I got the foam out.
That's a lot of foam. That is a lot heftier than
It's
the foam I got.
so thick. I guess they really didn't want this one to break during shipping. Oh my god, it's so heavy. It feels like a baby.
How many lemons would you say it is?
That's many lemons. I can't even think of how many lemons there is. So before we get to the console, we get to... Oh, is this the quick start guide? Is this the thing you had?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like telling you to...
You pair it with your phone, basically, and then it does... It's slightly easier because you can do stuff through your phone's interface,
Yeah.
which is a really nice touch.
And I've already got the app, so...
One step ahead.
And then up here, I think this is similar to the Series S. They got like a flap at the top.
Yeah, there was like another compartment for the power brick.
Plug!
That doesn't exist. Yeah.
It's a 3-prong. A lot of review units that we get in the UK. People don't really know this, but a lot of review units that we get come with American plugs, especially if it's phones and stuff. So it's very nice to not be given an American plug. The thick HDMI 2.1 cable that you would have gotten.
Yeah, it is a very nice cable. I've used it a few times.
I'm excited to replace my broken ass cable because it's like, yeah, fuck. It's like flopping around inside my my 1X. And then in this little package, we got the black controller. Oh my god, that is nice.
It is a very nice controller. Are they the same controller between?
Yeah, they're the
S and
exact
X?
same controller. It's just this one's black. So it's got the textured back. Oh, the textured triggers are so nice.
Yeah.
Ooh. Obviously, I won't be using this much for a while because I got my special accessibility
Hands.
thing. And AA batteries, which I will use for my drop mix, for I've got rechargeable batteries.
They lasted for quite a while. About 2 months, I think. I only replaced them recently,
Oh.
which is pretty good.
While we're just unboxing this, and I gotta move everything so that I can show the Xbox off. How are you enjoying your Series S?
It's actually very good.
It's not closing.
Quick
There we
Resume continually spooks me in that, I mean, I turn all my stuff off at the socket every night, so I don't get the full benefit from it, but whenever I don't, and I just, like, turn the console back on in the morning, and I'm still in the middle of Assassin's Creed, and I'm just like, how did this happen? I turned you off, this shouldn't be possible.
So, I guess you know now that Assassin's Creed is obviously 30 FPS on the Series S, but it's 60 FPS on PS5 and Xbox Series X. Does that bother you at all?
Not really, because I'm kind of used to consoles looking a bit garbo. Like, playing anything on the original Xbox, or Xbox One,
Yeah.
was an awful time. Things looked so bad and run so poorly.
They do.
And at least now it's like, either you get things running really smooth at like 60 or 140 FPS, or 120 rather,
Yeah.
or you get things that just look really good. And Assassin's Creed looked just gorgeous, so it still felt next gen.
Are you ready for the peel?
Yes, peel me
Like a lemon.
like a lemon.
Oh, okay. It's taped in a lot of places. I feel like I'm being too rough with it, even though like I'm being as gentle as I could possibly be.
It looks like it's built like a brick
Aw.
house.
It is. So I know like a lot of people have been saying this, but it is smaller than I thought it would be. But it's fucking heavy. It is really heavy.
It does look like hefty.
Oh. So there's the Xbox. Now, should we get some size comparisons? Oh yeah, I'm gonna move it like this because there's like a green paint at the top that you can kind of see.
Oh, is it painted? I thought that was LEDs.
No, they're not that gamer,
Ooh.
Alex. So we got some size comparisons. So obviously for
11.
fruit, people like banana.
It's not a lemon.
It's not. There's banana
It's the-
for scale.
The bigger Xbox gets the bigger fruit.
But I got something close to a lemon. I got an apple, and it's very cold because it's been in the fridge. I'm not going to touch the Xbox with it. Well, there we go. Apple for scale. I will eat the banana later, but I've already had an apple today. So we got some consoles for size comparisons. Dusty GameCube.
I mean, the GameCube was quite a small console.
Yes, but it is the only other cubic console. So
It looks like it could be about, like, 2 GameCubes.
yeah, but I think it is a little bit more than 2 GameCubes. I think it's about 2.5. Wait, if it's like that, then it's 1.
Yeah, that's about...
Yeah.
That's a lot of GameCube for your Xbox. I'm glad we finally have the exchange rates.
I got the Evercade. It's a bit smaller.
That's just a handheld.
I was just thinking, I didn't want to get the PS2 out because all my original Xbox, because my original Xbox is like in disrepair. But here is the Xbox One X. So that is, I'd say they're about comparable in volume.
Yeah, it looks a lot more standard console sized, of like the flat rectangle rather than the box.
Yeah. They're both really pretty. I don't know. See, I was
They're
going to
both
sell
very
my
dusty.
1X, but now I'm not sure if I want to because it's very pretty.
It is.
But I can't see myself ever using it again.
Yeah, now that you've got a more powerful console, it's kind of... God, he is hefty.
He is so chonk. There's the arse, by the way, Alex.
Ooh,
There's the big rubber ring on the arse.
what a ring.
It says made in Seattle in it. I found that one. You couldn't find yours, could you?
No, I gave up.
Ooh, and ports. Fucking hell. So for ports,
That rubber ring is... I can hear it moving your desk, so it's very sturdy.
There's two USB 3.1s, I think, and there's one on the front. There's the storage expansion slot. We don't have the card, so...
I mean, you shouldn't need it as much, because you've got a whole terabyte of storage.
You might have to get one soon.
Yeah, please, Phil. Please send us
Ethernet
one.
port. I'll put my finger in that one. Power button. Oh, wait. I've got the power cord.
Ooh.
That's what you do. No, wrong. No, wait. It should go in either way, right?
Yeah, I think it does.
Yeah, it's just new, so it's a bit tight.
Yeah.
And then where's the HDMI? There we go. There we go. Do I have a USB? No. There's also a Kingston security lock. Come on. I don't know why you need one of those, but there is one.
Just for style points, I think.
And that's it. That's the Xbox Series X.
There's a disk drive on the front, Lewis.
There
you
is
didn't
a
point
disk
out
drive.
the disk drive.
Also, I forgot. I got one more comparison. Oh my god, it picks up fingerprints so much. Oh, but they fade away. It's like footsteps in a video game.
It's magical.
Oh, there's a little bit of beard hair on that one, so I'll get rid of that. There's the disk drive, but comparison, iPod Touch.
Oh.
No one's done this comparison, eh? Eh?
Just anything that's not nailed down becomes a comparison.
I got this Halo Banshee toy. It opens up, there's a little elite in it.
Oh.
How many elites? Many elites. There we go, that's the Halo for the Xbox Series X. Well, I think that's about it. Do you want to tell people where they can find you?
In my house, but please don't. But also, more importantly, on Twitter, I am at ControlAlex, CTRLALX.
And you can
which is my brand.
It is a brand. You sometimes use it.
I do. I don't tweet much. It's fine.
You can find me at Lewis_D_White, and you can follow all of our website stuff on MSPoweruser.
You can. We're doing a lot of reviews and news when your hands are okay.
I do news.
You do. You're very good.
Well, thank you all for watching. Like the video. Tell us how much of a beta we are if you've watched this far. If they've watched this far, then they get permission.
They do.
And subscribe or some shit like that. See ya.
See ya.